You might be wondering why this video is starting in a van. Well, because it's cold. It's cold up here, and we're in Painesville Speedway. We are here for the 420 event. It's the first drift of the year. It's really cold. It's like 49 degrees. It's like supposed to be the high. Behind us, there's a heater, and we got the walls up. So hopefully that'll help. I feel like we have like the best setup out of everybody here for being able to stay warm. But we are gonna go try to get a lot more in-car footage. We're gonna try to get a lot more photography. We're gonna try to get a lot more. Just kind of like show you what's going on. I think it's going to be a pretty chill day. I really do, because I'm not trying to stand out there all day, but we'll see.
Whoa, dude.
So these are ones that you had swapped over, right? So you flipped them, right?
I flipped them like these.
Yeah. So this is what it looked like. This is what it looked like.
Good.
Yeah. How many passes do you think this tire was?
Total probably, I don't know, 20 to 30.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fast as fuck. It's kind of scared.
Give a big giant red spot.
Well, yeah, that's what helmets do, David.
You look like a fucking.
That's what helmets do, David.
I wonder how hot your power steering's getting during one of the, like, whenever you're.
It's on its way out.
Yeah.
I think my whole rack's on its way out. No clue. I don't know if I can run a 335 rack. I would assume it's stronger. I have no idea. I'm not really a beamer boy, dude. I gotta figure it out.
Yeah.
There's a lot in there.
It's fine.
It's a little milky too.
Are you noticing any different, like, with the sun actually being out? Are you noticing any different with the track?
I think it just got grippy because everyone's drifting.
Yeah.
But I mean, this thing feels like 100 times faster than last year.
Yep. What
Tires.
Yeah, I was gonna say these tires are wild. Because you moved your fronts to the rear, right? And then you have new fronts.
I have KR20s on the back.
That's the grippiest I ever ran. I never thought I could because this car doesn't make power, but the car's getting faster for some reason. Feels like it makes a shitload of power right now. So I don't know.
It's about to blow up, or it's like finally running.
Yeah, we're just running perfect.
Ah!
So what's going on?
I don't know. Car's knocking itself out of alignment, and I have no idea why. Because everything's tight.
Yeah. So when you pull back in, this wheel was straight, and that one, your passenger side was like way off. Oh, they're both out.
Well, this one, I don't know, because now it looks straight.
This is really hard.
Have you thought about making it easier?
Huh?
Have you thought about making it easier?
That'd be nice.
Yeah. Zach, how's it feel to be back at Drift?
Feels good, man. It's been probably about 6 months for me, maybe a little less than that. A lot of events going on up here. My cousin right now, he's actually on track, so we're going to shoot over to him, see how he's doing. And looks like
already
well.
spun out. Already spun out. I hope you didn't break it.
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm wondering what's going on right now.
So what happened?
Look. The angle kit, the lower ball joint adapter snapped in half.
Oh yeah.
Because Matt told me to do a backy.
Do you think that's maybe what was been changing everything all along? There was a weak point.
Fucking terrified.
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude.
So Alex, I just heard you. What'd you say is the worst part about all this?
Pop my new tire.
Yeah.
Bought that fucking.
How many passes did you get in on it? Yeah. Phew.
Not enough.
Not enough. Dude, isn't this nuts?
I feel so bad for him, man. It's like, I'm seeing all the work and time he's put into this damn thing, getting it wrapped, getting it dialed in, and I mean, he's already done like 10 laps today, and fucking this lap just did trying to do one turn and angle kit just snapped. I mean, I feel bad for him. Like, thankfully, his car's on there good. I was worried to hell about that, but I mean, I think we got a long night in store. I mean, I don't know if we're going to try to get it done tonight, but I feel like Alex is going to have some work to do, and I mean, I feel for him, man. He's put a lot of time, a lot of work into this thing, and second event of the year, and it's fucked right now. So.
Yeah. Were you so you were just trying to slide your ass in first, right?
Do a huge backy and it's just like.
Yeah, just broke. Man, this is like. Yeah. I don't think that guy's forklift certified.
Yeah, no.
But-
Good thing that isn't a forklift.
Yeah, yeah. Fuck. So we doing pull the bumper?
Yeah. I feel like I can get it on.
Isn't it fun when your friends break their toys and then you get to help them fix it?
It keeps me busy, you know?
Oh, right, you piece of shit! All that. So that's what broke, right? So what is that?
It's cracked right there too.
Oh, yeah, it's bent. It's like it's bending.
Hoping it's get well enough just to get it on the fucking
It'll just help
trailer.
get it on.
Yeah.
That's all we need, really. Just get it on.
So what? Yeah. So what's the plan right now?
Give this to Steve. You can run home. Weld this back together so we can put it on the trailer.
Fucking throw both in there. Let Steve do his thing.
Yeah. That'd be all right.
Well done.
So weld that together just to get it on the trailer, right?
Yeah. It's pretty bent.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is bent. Damn.
It's pretty bent. You
Damn,
can
bro.
line it up like this and just.
Just
Fill it,
needed
just
enough
fill
just to
it.
get it on.
This is just not gonna line up right. Just need to get it on, bro.
No. He didn't hit anything.
Just
Jump this thing on a rumble.
Yeah, right? Guys, that was probably the most entertaining thing that we're gonna have today. So I hope you enjoyed that part because it's only like 5 o'clock and this goes till 11. So I think we're done with Alex's Beamer. But I say we go riding some cars. So let's go.